Hello, Professor. I'm Harika Balu, and today I'm going to explain about my homework assignment one in quality management in computing. And these are some of the table of content that I'm going to explain further in this presentation, which includes the introduction, huge financial savings and huge financial losses, risk to global companies, and references. And let's start with an introduction. Um, of a quality management and a computing. So a quality management ensures that the required level of quality is assured by submitting improvements to the product development cycles or a process. And this quality management is a combination of quality planning, quality assurance, quality control, and continuous improvement. Uh, these are some of the principles of quality management. They are a customer focus, leadership, engagement of people, process approach, continuous improvement, evidence-based approach, and a relationship management. And coming to the benefits of the quality management process, with this, we can reduce an operating cost and increase the customer satisfaction and the company morals. And we can establish a process of continuous improvement and the business process of engineering, and we can gain a competitive edge, and etc. And coming to the quality management techniques or methodologies, quality quality management methodology is to help business to improve a current process, products, or services by discovering and eliminating defect. And there are the three major methodologies or techniques. They are Six Sigma, CMMI, and ISO 901. So Sigma should be used when there is a need to define an unknown causal situation. That means when issues are not well defined. And CMMI emphasis on continuous process improvement, and ISO only addresses the minimum criteria for an acceptable quality system. And let's get into the analysis of huge financial savings for the global companies. And this is the list of the tables of the company that has saved a huge number of money in the recent years. So I'm going to discuss this further in this presentation. And just for now, we will look at the names of the companies. They are Wipro, Amazon, Nike, Cognizant, and Eli Lilly. So let's start with the Wipro. Wipro has saved 2 billion USD dollars in 2022. Coming to the details, Wipro has followed a quality methodology such as a Six Sigma and other were implemented, and it resulted Wipro with a huge savings. And the quality of cloud is also implemented for the significant saving, which decreased the impact testing cost. And these are the Wipro's revenue data and then financial data from 2015 to 21. Here we can see that for the year 2021, it has saved, it has, its income is a 622 billion Indian rupees, and it has a profit of around 150 billion Indian rupees. And after the tax, their profit is around 107 billions. And this overall was achieved by following its Six Sigma principles. And also, and to get into the details, here we can see that Wipro has enhanced its SAP DevOps and Agile adoption rate in their organization, and they're also following continuous testing and early defect containment to reduce the overall cost quality. And this helped Wipro to achieve those high profits. And also, Wipro has initially adapted to the ISO 901 methodology, but however, ISO 9001 couldn't contribute for high level of optimization. Hence, for this continuous process improvement, Wipro adapted the Six Sigma methodology. So, and Wipro is the first Indian company to adapt Six Sigma, and the company chose to implement Six Sigma because it focused on the customer and was based on the data. And overall, Six Sigma methodologies was identified not only to address the challenges faced, but also to aid sustain the process. And by successfully implementing the Six Sigma principles, Wipro has achieved the revenue of uh, around 622 billion Indian rupees in 2021. And let's see the other company, that is Amazon. Amazon is also saved a huge number of money in the last year, that is in 2021. Um, Quality management enabled to transform Amazon business with the cost transparency, control, forecasting, and optimization. And Amazon's core mission is to provide a quality service to the customer in real time. In particular, CRM software has contributed immensely in the development of company. Firstly, it has enabled the company to gain a huge market share due to its efficiency. And also, Amazon And by following the Six Sigma principles, Amazon has achieved a revenue of $233 billion in 2018, which is far more increased compared to the revenue in 2004, that is around $7 billion. And Amazon is also the fastest company to reach 100 billion in sales revenue, and Amazon has grown approximately 20% per year, and it grows from 30% from 2018 to 19, and currently it enjoys more than 13% of gross global economic sales. And to achieve this, Amazon has an efficient supply chain management system. For this, it mainly uses the Lean Six Sigma principles, and uh, in an advanced IT. And these are some graphs which represents that Amazon e-commerce sales and revenue data. Here we can see that how Amazon grown from around 2004 to 21. And so 2021, the graphs, the sales was increased to the $614 billion, and in 2022, currently by the mid of 2022, it has around $729. And overall, the Amazon has achieved these many revenue or this e-commerce sales by applying a Six Sigma and the quality related methodologies uh, in their supply chain industry, and also in the in IT related, and also in the software industry. And let's see about the third company, that is a Nike. Nike has built a reputation as one of the top software manufacturers in the world. In the year 2020, they wanted to generate more products from recycled goods by coordinating with a different team. So their main goal is to reduce the waste while generating the products, and also they want to generate their products from the waste of other products. And for that, they have implemented a designing model that component the shape that are simpler, and they wanted to apply proven lean and Six Sigma methods to continuously and consistently to address the waste root causes to maintain the sustainability. And with that, they have achieved a revenue of 44 billion, that is a 19% increase from the 2020. And here, this journal tells about that Nike Nike is a popular when it comes to its advertising and branding, but their marketing leadership is also built on the culture of a lean thinking and focus on the continuous improvement. And with this, Nike has shared the significant benefits gained from lean methodologies in 2012 as a sustainable business performance. And from the Nike has gained a 50% reduction in defect rates and 40% faster lead time and a 20% improvement in productivity. So, and from then there, they continue to using this lean Six Sigma methodologies, and and now they wanted to, and by 2020 and in 2021, they are created or they are generated the vast number of products which are eco-friendly and sustainable. And by considering all this, Nike can provide a high quality customizable project that too the products are eco-friendly and sustainable products. And also they are using the Six Sigma methodologies in their supply chain. And the other company is a Cognizant. Cognizant is the first top-tier IT company uh, revenue which exceeds the 10 USD billion in the world to uprise at the highest maturity level of the new CMMI V2 model for the both development and services, and validating companies' continuous improvement process. So Cognizant has this quality engineering and assurance process in their organization. So as an enterprise, it always focus on the quality of their product, which and with its quality engineering and assurance program, it is serving more than 650 clients around the world, and it is their promise saying the quality assurance by solving the projects of their clients. And because of that, the revenue of the Cognizant was constantly increasing from 2010 to the 2021. We can see that there was an $18.5 billion in 2021. And they also have this QA hub, that is a quality assurance hub, to increase this quality management in their organization. And the final company that saves a lot of money is Eli Lilly. So basically, Eli Lilly is a pharmaceutical company, and it is a US-based company. And even though Eli Lilly started Six Sigma in around 2015 February, after that, Eli Lilly updated the Six Sigma principles and hired Six Sigma black belt trained employees for their external projects to achieve their quality goals by following continuously improving our continuous improvement process. And with the Six Sigma, say, and their goal of Six Sigma is to be 2 to 3% of annual revenue, and the black belt count goal will be 1% of employee population were 400, and there are 60 projects completed or several hundreds launched with the Six Sigma. And with applying Six Sigma for this continuous improvement and development, Eli Lilly revenue was increased over the years. Like we can see there from 2020 to 2021, there was around a 4,000 million dollars was profit that it had, and And early Lilly quarter for 2022 March 20 was around $7 billion. That is a 14.76 increase for over the years. And also they are expecting the revenue of this year was around $30 billion. That is a 15% increase of the previous year.